Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how we can use less command in Linux. Less command we can use to read the files, or if you want to search something inside the file, something like patterns or some word, you can use less command conveniently to read or search in the file. So let's see how we can use it. So first of all, I'm going to open my terminal, and first of all I will navigate to my desktop where this big .text file is there. So first of all I will cd to the desktop, and first of all because this is a big file and I want to, for example, see the content of this big text file, I want to use cat for you, because we have learned you can use cat to print the content of the file. So I'm going to use big.text, and when I press enter, you can see it's printing the content of this text file, and because it's really big, it's printing and printing and printing. And for example, you want to read from the starting of this file when it's done printing, and you want to go up. Let's see what happens. So first of all, let it complete. So it's completed, and when I want to go to the top and I want to read the content, the terminal doesn't allow me to go beyond a certain level, so it's not going to the starting of the text file. That's why we can use less command to overcome these problems. Plus less has its own features, right? So I will first of all clear the terminal, and now I'm going to use less for reading the file content. So first of all, for using less, you just need to write less and the name of the file, which is big.text, right? And press enter, and you can see it will show you the content of the file from the starting. So this is the starting of the file, and it will show you some text until this terminal allows it to show it. And if you want to see the content of the file more, you can hit the down arrow key. So down arrow key to go one line down at a time. You can see you can read down, and if you hit up arrow, then you can read up, or you can browse over the file in the up. Now if you want to go through the file page by page, what you can use is you can use a space key to navigate to your file page by page. So when I press space, it's going to show me the next page, next page, next page, next page, and it will show me again and again next page. So for the going through the page downwards, you can use space key. Now if you want to go upwards page by page, you can use capital B or B key. Okay, and you can just press B, and you will go one page up at a time when you press B. Okay, now if you want to go at the end of the file, you can just press capital G. So press shift and G, so it will be capital G. So press shift and G, and it will browse to the end of your text file, right? And now if you want to go at the top, at the starting of your file, you can just type 1 and then G, and it will go at the beginning of the file. So capital Z using shift G at the end, and when you press 1G, then it will go at the top, right? Once again capital G at the end, and when I press small g also, it will browse me to the top also. So small g for going to the top, and capital G for going to the end, right? Now for example, I want to go at the top, and now I want to search something inside the text file from up to down. So I can use this forward slash, which says this less, that we want to search from up to down some word. And the word, for example, we are looking for is book inside this text file, right? And when you press enter, it's going to show you or highlight the first book keyword which you are searching for, which is this one. And now to search or to go to the next book in the text file, you can press N to go to the next item, which is book, right? So you can see there are so many book, and we are searching, or we are going from top to down, right? So you can see there are so many book words inside this text file. And when we are done with the searching, and it's the end of the file, it will say pattern not found. So now this book is the last iteration of this word book, right? After that, when you press next or N, it's going to show this message which says pattern not found. Now sometimes you may want to search from down to up, and for this you can use this question mark for searching from down to up, and then you can give your keyword which you are looking for, and press enter, and the first word from the down is this itself. And then when you press N, it will go through this text file and highlight the book from down to up, right? So you can just press N key to see where this book is used, this word is used, right? Now if you want to quit less command, you just need to press Q. It will quit your less command, right? So this is how you can use less command in Linux. And if you want to know more about less, you can just write man and then less, and here is the description of less command and the flags and the keys you can use with less commands. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.